Sorry about my shirt not being on. It's hailing. I just came back from work. It's hailing. Let me show you. There you can see outside. Yeah. So it's hailing outside. I don't know what I can say. Let me show you about my window here in my bathroom. Yeah. So yeah, follow my channel. I'm Dylan. Yeah, I'm just reading the shirt. Yeah, Dylan, peace out. Follow my channel.